Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Zephyrhills, local and long-distance movers near me. We transfer belongings locally, interstate, and intrastate at 3 Movers, and the federal and municipal officials in charge of the relocation procedure are familiar with us, and we have insurance coverage in place because we care about our clients and their belongings. These contracts cover hazard obligations before, during, and after the move. We offer the most dependable and devoted movers and drivers who will deliver your belongings without causing them any damage. Don't worry about us ripping you off because all of our services are reasonably priced. Local moving is much less expensive than long-distance relocation. We charge significantly lower prices of $30 to $40 per hour. Our professional and dedicated local movers will provide you with good value for your money and will follow your instructions and ideas. We're familiar with huge towns and urban locations. Therefore, we know how to transport your belongings without causing any problems. We have a fantastic team of local movers who are always willing to help you and plan out your move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Zephyrhills moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.